Welcome back to the gaming family. In this video, let me show you how you can withdraw in the Cryptomania app. First, let's discuss what Cryptomania is. When you search for Cryptomania on Google Play, it will show you that it is a trading simulator. It doesn't involve real money transactions. The app doesn't provide an opportunity to earn or withdraw real cash. Your earnings on the app are virtual and can't be exchanged for real money. It's a tool for learning how to trade crypto, not for making real money. Ignore any videos that suggest otherwise. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.